Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today the video is going to be an EDC makeup tutorial. It's going to be on this look, so if you guys like this look, just stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See you on the flippity flop. Can you tell from my crown and my bodysuit? It's the EDC tutorial, bitch. I have had 2 cups of coffee. I'm jazzed up. I almost dropped that. I'm going to use the James Charles palette. This is kind of a little unboxing moment because I haven't actually used it yet. So you guys are getting something special today. I don't know why I usually start makeup tutorials. I'm not practicing like any of the makeup. I just kind of wing it. So let's hope this turns out good. It is so pretty. Oh my god, I can't open it. Just looking at my bodysuit, I think I'm going to do a pink and purple look. I am dying. So I'm going to start with my eyes since we're going to do a whole bunch of color. We're going to start with that so we can clean up any messes. I wish this came with a mirror. That would be freaking clutch, James, if you're watching this. Get a mirror. Okay, first of all, I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm just going to put that on my lids as a primer. Am I gonna make this a talk through? I don't know, guys. I'm gonna talk, but will I put music over it? Stay tuned. I'm gonna go in with this MAC brush. It's just a taper brush. I'm gonna start with the shade Canvas, just to start off. And I'm just going to use that as a base before I start putting on all these crazy colors. If my camera is out of focus for like half of this video, I'm gonna freaking flip my shit, okay? I've been looking at myself so much more lately because I've been vlogging, and I'm like, bitch, get your eyebrows done. So we got our base down. Okay, I cannot tell if James's eyeshadow smells good or this just smells good. I think it's just this. It's like, there we go, the base. We got the base done. It's literally the color of my skin tone is so crazy. So I guess we're just gonna start going in with the purples. Let's just fucking risk it to get the biscuit. The shade that I'm gonna use for my crease right now is Single. And I'm just gonna put it right there like this. This is my second EDC that I'm going to. I'm fucking excited. I like can't fucking talk and do makeup at the same time. Comment down below if you have the same problem. Like, are you as stupid as I am? Wow, that is a fucking nice purple. I'm so excited to take this palette to EDC. I'm gonna go in. Okay, I'm gonna go in with it one more time. The shade Single. Am I okay? I'm fucking crap right now. Just to darken it up a little bit. Like this video if you can tell the coffee's kicking in. We should talk about my life because I actually haven't really updated you guys, and I've completely changed my life. Like, everything has changed in my life. It's actually insane. How many times is Cayla gonna say in my life? Okay, and then the next shade we're gonna go in with, I promise I'll continue that story. So we use Single on the crease, and now I'm gonna go in with, God, these pinks and purples are so pretty. I don't even know what is going on right now. Okay, I'm gonna use the shade Skip, which is that neon pink. Fucking neon. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna put that in on your eyelid. Oh yes, so I've actually completely changed my life, like I said before. Changed my major in school. I'm now doing kinesiology, which is the study of like body movement and working out and all that good shit. But that's not what I want to do. What I want to do is physical therapy. I'm gonna go back in with Single and like darken up my crease, by the way. Again, I cannot do makeup and talk at the same time. Why did I switch to physical therapy? I was so close to finishing child development, and I realized that it was not what I wanted to do at all. That is actually a really challenging thing to realize at the age of... Oh, a lady never tells her age. I just realized it wasn't for me, and I didn't want to spend my life doing something that I don't genuinely want to do. You know, that sucks. So I changed my major, also changed my school in the process. And this is where I believe, like, if you're doing what you really love, like, you are going to flourish in life, because I was not doing so hot before, and now I literally have A's and B's in all my classes, and I'm in love with school. Like, I'm genuinely so excited for next semester. Who would have thought? Who would have thought I would have been that bitch, you know? The reason why I want to become a physical therapist is obviously for the rewarding outcome of my job, you know? Like, I want to be someone that helps people. That's something I genuinely want to do and could see myself doing for the rest of my life. I'll just stop talking about that because that was probably boring, but I just wanted to update you. I just wanted to update you guys a little bit because my life has completely changed and it's going really well, guys. I'm doing really good. So we got purple, we got pink. I really want to darken that up there still, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Escape, which is that hella dark purple, and I'm gonna put that on the outer corners of my crease. So this could either get really fucked up or this can go really well. Let's blend. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with, love that! I love James Charles. I'm so glad that he made this palette and he used all his little sayings on there. You're kidding! I love him. By the way, I'm using like my taper brush for all of this shit right now. On top of Escape, I'm gonna use that to blend that upward a little bit, just to get rid of harsh lines. I'm gonna go back in with Escape and I'm going to darken my crease yet again. I'm gonna go back in with Skip. I didn't even show you guys that I was using this brush earlier for my eyelid. It's just a flat brush, and I'm gonna put that on my eyelids again. Back in with this, and we're gonna go in with Pinkity Drinkity. I'm gonna blend that into my eyebrows. I'm gonna go in with Artistry. It's the sparkly purple shade right here. I'm about to fuck shit up. And I'm just gonna put that in the outer part of my eyelid. I have literally become a cussing machine. I'm sorry. Now since we're done with that, I'm gonna start doing my face, and then I go back in with my eyes a little bit later. You guys know how it works. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier Moisturizing Silk Foundation. This is when I should be telling you stories, right, of my life. What's been going on? What's the deal? What's the tea, Cayla? There is no tea. My life is fucking boring. I'm a fucking kinesiology major. All I've been doing is homework. I literally have to do homework after I'm finished filming this. I just went from like looking like I haven't slept in 20 years to being fresh out of the womb. I'm gonna use my Chanel bronzer to bronze up my face because I look so fucking white right now. I'm gonna contour my face. Going with my concealer now. Holy shit! If I thought I looked fresh out of the womb before. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my translucent setting powder to set all that shit in. Now I'm gonna start doing my blush. Use this little one. It's still my little favorite one, the Peach Pink by Elizabeth Mott. I'm gonna go in with my highlight using my fan brush. I'm gonna go in with the Becca Cosmetics highlight in the shade Opal. To also go in with my Stila highlighter in the shade Transcendence. I'm going to use my Fenty Diamond Bomb. How Many Carats? This is my favorite thing I've gotten recently. Going back into the James Charles palette one last time. I'm going to go in with Single, and I'm going to put that on my bottom lash line. I'm going to set everything now with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm going to it's just gonna literally like set everything into place and make it look 10 times bomber. Eyeliner is done off camera. I just used my Jessie's Girl liquid liner. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then I'm gonna use... Ow! I'm gonna use roller lash to curl my lashes, get this shit done because I'm clearly slowly deteriorating. Mascara time. I'm gonna finish off with some motherfucking jewels. What would my festival makeup tutorial be without fucking glitter and jewels? Nothing. I would highly advise doing eyelash glue for gems because it'll keep it on all day. 3 gems, 3 gems, so not even, whatever. Velvet Teddy for my lips. We're done! So this is the final look. If you guys like this look, please let me know. If you guys want to see more festival makeup tutorials like this video so I know. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with me. Hope you guys have a fun time in EDC. Stay safe, stay hydrated. Don't forget to wear pasties. I will see you guys all next time. Bye!